Hi, everybody. Today we are going to see why we need to learn how to communicate better. In my mind, why we need to learn to communicate is about a better quality of life, is about having a loving relationship with one another. It is about speaking our mind and having our partner, our child, listen to what is in our mind. So, as a child, when we are born, we communicate through our crying. We cry if we are wet, we cry if you're hungry, we cry if you're cold. But as we grow older, when the child is about 1 year old, has at least 10 more reasons why the child needs to communicate. The child wants something. The child does not want something. The child wants to go somewhere. The child does not want to be with another. The child does not want to sleep when you want him to sleep. And so many reasons. So, as we are growing up in our toddlerhood, in our young childhood, and then as we grow into adults, the reason we need to communicate becomes as wide as the number of people on earth. It is no limit to it. There is as the reason can be anything. Now, why do we use language that is hurtful to communicate that we wish to have? Those are two different opposite opinions. I wish to have something, or my wish is such and such, and I say harsh words. Harshness and my wish are two different polarities that do not belong together. So, unless you have kindness in your language, kindness in your approach, kindness in what you wish to claim for yourself, you will not be able to achieve what you set out to do in the world. So develop this kindness, develop this simpleness, develop the ability to stop and find language that is better accepted by your environment, and the life quality of life improves a lot with that. Please think about it in the coming weekend how the harshness in our language and our wish being fulfilled, the two things do not go together. It is a little bit of a difficult concept because we have trained ourselves to think as if the other person is going to attack us when we say something. True enough, the other person may attack us or may mistake us, but that is not for us to change. We cannot change the other person not understanding us or misunderstanding us. It is only for us to remove the harshness from our wishes. So let's practice that this weekend.